happening, guys? Good morning. We're out here in this beautiful Sunday morning. Look at that sun rising. But we just made it to the first spot out here with my buddy Eric on his canoe. Let's see if we can hook onto some tarpon, grouper, snook. We're just targeting some big fish, so let's see if we can get on them. Come on, come on. He's off. No. Oh, what? I set the. Oh.
I know, you look like you set it good too.
No. Oh, that was a good one. A ver qué chingón eres. Let's see how good of a Captain Eric is. Oh, you're gonna have to take your thing down. Watch out. Yeah, put it in neutral. Oh, I don't know, Eric.
Oh, my rod.
Yep, we're good. I saved myself. They're good, dude. Ooh, almost fell there, guys. Damn, you're not gonna be able to clear the platform. God, I'm being eaten by no-see-ums. Alright, we made it. I'm being eaten by no-see-ums. The big one? Yeah. You have to tie it on. Let me try the big one, man. I have it tied on, so. Eric says he's gonna try the big one, so I'm gonna try it for him. That way he doesn't get his limited edition one stuck. What? No, I was hearing this thing. Oh, there's a branch here. Yeah. There it is. Oh, nice snook. Yep. Haha. Calm down, calm down. Right, there we go. Finally, guys. Little snook hit the NLBN.
Around like 25.
Yeah. Yeah, mid-20s. Little guy. Let's let him go. Nice. Alright, there he goes. Sweet.
Yeah, I had a feeling with all this structure.
Alright, let's keep going in. You gonna put it on? Eric says, shit, say less. Alright, yeah, let's tighten down just a little bit more, because even that little snook pulled some line. There's a grouper in here. He's gonna wreck me. There we go. I got 60. I can muscle him out. Careful with that branch there. There it is. There it is, guys. There it is. Oh. Yeah. Hold on. Off. Oh, that was my last one, dude. All right, guys. Just lost a big old grouper, unfortunately. Lost my last jig head. This is my last swim bait. Luckily, Eric had an extra one, let me use his jig head. Hopefully I don't lose it. But we're back in the game here. Found a real good deep creek full of grouper. Getting eaten by mosquitoes and no-see-ums, but it's worth it. Alright, hooked it as best as I could. A little crooked, but it should work. There we go. Nice little white swim bait. Let's see if they'll hit it. Oh, that little pocket looks juicy right there. Alright, let's freaking lock this crap down. Enough playing games. Oh, I forgot to cut my tag off. All right, hold on. Oh, he just got whacked. You got whacked, dude.
You ripped this thing in half almost.
Yeah, get us back forward, dude. Eric just got whacked by a freaking grouper. You got my heart pumping, dude. All right, watch out, Eric. He's right there.
He came back to it twice, dude. He freaking
Here.
Go, Casa, that's the perfect. Okay. Twitch.
Oh, dude.
He's right there.
He's right there. He's right there.
Nope, I messed up that cast. Oh, you got it. Oh no, a little short maybe.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him.
God, I mean.
I got him. I got him. Woo! There we go, boys. Nice groupie. Not a big one, but
There we go.
there we go. Finally on the board, boys.
Yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, and we landed the grouper that freaking pretty much tore my NLB in half. Oh,
I'm gonna take a picture, but it's all right. Come on, guys. Definitely a shark. No, broke. Oh!
lucky.
Eric might be next. We are still good.
I'm on.
Oh.
There's a grouper on it.
You better have a grouper on it. Yup. Oh, there it is. No. Damn. Was it?
Yeah. That was a grouper.
All right.
I pulled the line and then I called him like cold. He'll probably come back for it too.
Oh, for sure.
Bring that down.
For sure. They're not dumb. They're just overly confident. Let's see. Huh? Just let him eat it this time, and bro, lock your drag down, dude. Close it. Boom.
Oh, he had it.
Oh, there it is. Eric's on. Get him up. Tighten that drag, bro. You got 60 pound, dude. You can muscle him. Dale, Eric. Get him up here. Oh, you got him.
Yeah, I got him.
Come on. Oh yeah, that's a grouper, dude. Woo! All right, let's make some room here. Let's go. Oh yeah, dude.
He came for it.
Don't let him get back down. Oh. Hopefully there's another one down there.
Watch him feel like a small little 5-pounder.
Yeah, right, dude. He's got to be a 10, easily 10, 15. The way he went down there. Oh, he's a nice one, dude. He's a nice one. Try to bring him to the right.
15, 20 pounds.
Try to bring him to the right, yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's actually not bad.
Oh, of course not, bro. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's a nice one. Come on.
Keep him in the net, in the water. There we go. Hell yeah.
Nice.
Let's go.
All right, hold him up.
Dude.
Gonna have him in there just to keep him good.
Big boy. A lot bigger than I thought.
There you go, bigger than the cooler.
Got him on that cut ladyfish, and Yeah, he gave me a real good fight. We're gonna release this guy and see if we can find some more ladyfish because we ran out of ladyfish. There we go.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Eric. Good stuff. All right.
Lunchtime. Tarpon, tarpon, tarpon. Let's see what's Just a little baby. This is the same little punk from this morning. Nice shark. Little black tip looks like it. Came off right in the water. You want to hold him? All right, let's let him go.